September 17, 1789, the British astronomer William Herschel discovered Saturn's Death Star moon Mimas. September 17, 1936, on this day Lee Chaltier died, best known for developing Lee Chaltier's principle. September 17, 1976, on this day NASA rolls out the first space shuttle Enterprises from its assembled facility to a waiting crowd. September 17, 1983, Vanessa Williams became the first black Miss America. Time flies like an arrow. Until then, expect beyond science.